Check this out. It's a rock, but it's magnetized. Huh. That's weird. You can see how hard it is. It's hard. Let's see. That's weird. Throw it in the bucket. What's up, everybody? This is your boy June from June's World, and I'm coming to you today with a video of magnet fishing. We're doing some magnet fishing today, people. We're gonna be doing it at a popular boat ramp here that the locals use to come from the island across the way, which is called VIP Island. They use that boat ramp, you know, frequently just to go to the gas station, to the store, you know, to get their everyday needs. But this place has been here forever, so we're gonna check this place out. And I know that nobody's ever done magnet fishing here, ever. So let's see what we find. All right, we got a 1,000-pound anchor. This bad boy is pretty strong. We're gonna start over here at the end. See what we find. Actually, hold up, before I throw this, let me just make sure it's tight. All right, good to go. We're at Christensen Boat Dock, which is in Grant, Florida. This place is always packed on the weekends. I never launch my jet ski from here because it's just way too busy. Only during the week. During the week I'll come out here, I'll launch from here because it's really dead. I was at another boat ramp, and the other boat ramp, the first time I did my first video, I literally, as soon as I threw it in the water, I snagged me up a pair of crimpers. Oh, nothing. Oh, wait a minute. I got a hook. I got a hook. First treasure, a hook. Nothing. Bunch of metal down there. Push all that stuff off into the bucket. Uh-oh, we got something. Ooh, we got a big old hook. There's the other little hook that I had. There it is. This hook, it's a nice old one. Found a screw and a bunch of metal. So we're gonna take all this stuff, throw it in the bucket. Let me get the metal part in there. Dump all that. All right. Oh, we got one more hook. We got to throw in there. So far so good. Let's keep it moving. Let's see what else we can find. I'll go along the edge first to make sure anything that falls, usually this will be a prime spot for anything to fall, which will be on the edge. As people are getting out of their boats, off their jet skis, whatever, climbing off onto the dock, and tend to drop stuff. Let's see what I got. Nothing but old metal. A bunch of metal. metal. It's a lot of freaking metal. We got something. Got some kind of wire, something, and some metal. More metal. Second time we're, oh, got a bottle cap. A Corona. Oh, that feels like something latched on. Let's see what it is. Come on, baby. What is it? Ooh, I can feel it. Oh, look what I found. A screwdriver. Doesn't look too bad, too. Looks almost new. No rust on it. Nice. Good find there. Sweet. Put this one in the bucket. So I'm wrapping up the video. I didn't catch very much. Only caught a couple of hooks, some weights, and you know, just a bunch of metal that's on the floor here. Really didn't find no treasures here. So I'm gonna go to another boat ramp and see what I can find. Preferably find one that's really old, so that, you know, find something. I mean, this boat ramp is fairly old, but I guess not old enough. Last place I was at, I found a jewel that was still on. That was at a boat ramp right next door. Today I found a pair of well, not a pair, but I found a screwdriver. That was pretty cool. Also, don't forget, if you like my video, please hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell on the side for some notifications. You'll be the first ones to get my videos when they come up. You can comment, give me some feedback, comment below, let me know what you think about these magnet fishing videos and if you like them. Alright, peace. You know, I am totally surprised that I didn't find as much stuff that I anticipated finding here. This is a busy place, very busy place. But, you know, can't win them all, right? To the next one.